Good day and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to draw an arc of given radius tangential to the arms of an obtuse angle. So first, I will start by drawing my obtuse angle. So if you are given the specific obtuse angle, remember that obtuse angles are angles that are greater than 90 degrees. So if you are given the specific angle, so you have to ensure that you draw the angle. So you can do so using your protractor. So after marking your angle, you have to draw line. So now it is time to produce the arc. So to produce the arc, first you have to draw lines parallel to the arms of the angle. So looking at it, if you are given a specific radius to draw, so you have to draw lines that are parallel to the arms of the angle, and the distance between this parallel line to the arm should be equal to the radius given to you. So for instance, if I'm giving a radius of 20 millimeter, so the distance between the arm and the parallel I'm going to draw should be 20 millimeter. Now it is time to produce the point of tangency. So to do so, I will draw a line perpendicular to each arm of the angle, and the line must also pass through this point here. So let me start with the horizontal arm. So this is a tangent point. That is a point of tangency. This is also a point of tangency. So to produce the arc now, you place your compass on this point. That is this point here. Then you adjust the compass in such a way that your pencil is on either of these tangent points. Then you can now draw the arc. So if your construction is accurate, the arc will just blend properly with the other arm. So now we have our arc. So I will just make both of this side of the line and this side. So we are done with the arc. All that is left is the label in all dimensions. So we are done with the drawing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.